Finfish management.
The goal of these training workshops is to enable Belize's fisheries and fishing communities to become resilient with an active, empowered national management system that secures community stewardship and the participation of fishers in promoting crisis-resilient management adaptations to support livelihoods and ecosystem health. To achieve this, Environmental Defense Fund, in partnership with the Belize Fisheries Department and co-managers such as Tide, Sea, Belize Audubon Society, TASA, and SACD, with support from the Belize Marine Fund, carried out these series of training workshops basically aimed at building the capacity of Managed Access Committee members. These workshops focused on a number of things, including making these committees stronger, a more effective governance group that champion management changes that will improve fisheries health within each of the fishing areas. These training workshops help to build local capacity to improve fisheries management in Belize, focused on 4 thematic areas. These include climate resilience, replenishment zones, multi-species, and recreational fisheries management. An integral aspect captured during these trainings is fishers and co-managers' perspective on management.
Belize's multi-species finfish fisheries support livelihoods by providing food, employment, income, and recreation. Adaptive management to prevent overfishing, improve food security, and ensure economic growth. Belize's finfish management plan follows the principles of adaptive management, which recognizes these challenges for finfish management. There are multiple species to manage, limited information on some species, and dynamic ecological conditions. Adaptive management is a cycle. First, we identify the goal. Thereafter, we identify target fish. We then identify measures. We run the assessments necessary. We collect the data. Then we adjust the solution, and the cycle can be repeated. Managing finfish with fish baskets. In the management plan, 47 finfish species are managed in 13 groups called baskets. Each basket contains finfish with similar health and vulnerability status, and management solutions are created to address needs of each basket. Belize's model for innovative fisheries management is made up of 3 components that balance social, economic, biological, and market needs. These components are replenishment zones, managed access, and Fisheries Resources Act. Replenishment zones protect important habitat, support biodiversity, build fisheries, and are resilient to climate change. Managed access, it manages the catch. It is area-based management and licenses, and there are incentives for fishers to become better stewards of these resources. The Fisheries Resources Act promotes innovative fisheries management, promotes transparency and accountability, and it highlights precautionary management using best available information. Fisheries management is participatory. The Fisheries Resources Act of 2020 establishes a Fisheries Council with representation from fishing cooperatives, the fishermen associations, and co-managers of marine protected areas. Fisheries management is based on science and local knowledge. Adaptive management uses performance indicators including fish length, average abundance, and total landings to measure success, then adapt solutions as needed.